And our guest for this hour to discuss, we have in San Francisco, California, criminal defense attorney Joseph Tully. Joseph, good to see you. We heard there the question about the brother and the sharing of clothes. We know that's part of the defense in this case. They've insinuated that the DNA transfer could have been because of the brother wearing the hat of the defendant in this case, and that's the hat that had the DNA of Laken Riley. But other than that, are you hearing anything that's really going to help this defense, or do you feel like this case is really a slow plea to a guilty verdict from the judge?
Well, thank you so much for having me on, Julia. I do feel that this case is really a slow plea in front of a judge. I think that explains why that there's no jury here. Again, with a jury, you at least have a chance of that maybe one of the 12 people won't agree. Something will happen. They won't like something the prosecution does. And here they've waived that, and they're just before a judge, and I think that explains why.
Yeah, it just seems the longer this goes on, the more it's hard to believe that there's any shot for this defendant because of the amount of evidence and because you don't have that X factor of a jury that you never know. One juror could get caught up in the brother thing, and a judge, I just can't see happening.
No, not in this case.
Yeah. All right, let's get a break. We'll go back. Cross of the roommate is next in the murder of Laken Riley trial for Jose Ibarra in the state of Georgia. Stay with us.
This case clearly